To begin the installation of your HD Crossmember, remove any aftermarket or factory skid plates from the vehicle. Support the transmission for removal of the factory crossmember. Remove the two pieces of hardware supporting the heat shield on the passenger side of the crossmember using a 10mm socket or wrench. On the driver's side of the vehicle, remove the two bolts supporting the exhaust hanger using a 13mm wrench. Remove the three nuts from the transmission support bracket using a 21mm socket. Remove the two factory bolts from the crossmember on the driver's side of the vehicle using an 18mm socket and wrench. Remove the three bolts holding in the crossmember using an 18mm socket. Install the crossmember JL4718-1, starting on the driver's side of the vehicle using the factory bolts. Install the JL4718-2 bracket using the three factory bolts that were removed from the passenger side of the frame. Install two grade 8 1/2 inch by 4 3/4 inch bolts with zinc washers and nylon lock nuts. Tighten all of the hardware supporting the crossmember. The 1/2 inch grade 8 bolts can be tightened using a 19mm socket and wrench. Reinstall the three nuts holding the transmission support bracket to the crossmember and tighten to spec. Install the two provided 5/16 by 1 3/4 inch flange bolts to secure the exhaust flange to your new crossmember.